Ke back on channel yaka. Please it's like our share and of course all subscriber. So Big Zulu na trend 2 weeks ago, right? O trenditse gore ba re o robala le noga ya mo fa tšhelete. The blog I'm going to report including the blog to the whole. They report about a Big Zulu o robala le noga ya mo fa tšhelete and also le fame. So Big Zulu respondile, guys. Ke tlo tsentšha like screenshot or somewhere a responda, but e re ke ba le like molaetso a ngwetseng ko pageng ya gagwe ya Facebook or hi Kunzima Nkabi, some of you here, I have struggled in front of you trying to have I have struggled with you trying to have a better life and not being able to sleep day and night. And all efforts and what the Creator has given me, my success, the Creator or Mudimu umfile a success. It's full of insult and zondo hatred. Zondo hatred, guys. Hey, Zulu, a Big Zulu has a snake. The village of a Big Zulu, and I don't know. He will die. That's what he says. He will die. There are 4 videos on TikTok. The video didn't check on TikTok or Big Zulu or hey, what party? I don't know, blah blah blah. They are polluting my name because of my success. Or like because sexy because we something more long. So what will be like the drama and stuff like that. But the creator has given me. They're trying to discourage the success that the creator has given me. People are gonna try and discredit it. Yeah. Guys, they are polluting my name because my success that the creator has given me. But anyways, here's what you need to know. Everything that happened to me is the will of the creator. I can say at all. That's what Big Zulu is actually saying, you guys, and he is the one who knows where I will end up. All the videos that I'm carrying, I will die. I will be free. I'm not afraid. Even a small thing, when the creator says the time has come, I am not afraid. I'm thankful for everything to the creator and the plans he has done for me to achieve my dreams and to be able to help other people succeed too. I'm very grateful to Nkabi Nations for always being with me through hardships and success. Thank you so much. One love. Well, there you have it, you guys. Big Zulu is actually denying and he is calling out whichever 12 I had to save it at all. Lana nka situation Big Zulu or ke dutse batho ba ntši mo pelong. So lena le tlamo ikile le tso botsa batho maaka le re nna ke thoile ka noga ke dirile eng a se nke ka dira lo tseo. Please put in the comment section and let's like or share and or subscribe. I get on my next video.